In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to repair a ripped canvas photo in Canva using Magic Eraser. We're going to fix a tear in your photo right on your phone or tablet using the Canva app. You'll just need the image of your ripped canvas and a few minutes. The process is straightforward, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along in real time. First, open the Canva app and tap Create a Design. Choose a canvas size that suits your final output, or tap Custom Size if you know the exact dimensions you want. If you're unsure, it's perfectly fine to pick a size that closely matches your photo's orientation, portrait for vertical images or landscape for horizontal. Matching your canvas to the photo helps prevent unwanted cropping later. Next, bring your damaged image into Canva. Tap the plus icon, go to Uploads, then Upload Media, and select the photo of your ripped canvas from your device. If your phone asks for permission to access photos, allow it so Canva can import the file. Once it appears in your uploads, tap it to place it on the canvas. If needed, pinch to fit it neatly without stretching. Dragging from the corners maintains the correct proportions. Now for the magic. Tap the photo to make sure it's selected, then choose Edit Image. Scroll until you find Magic Eraser. With the brush active, carefully paint over the tear or ripped area. Canva will analyze the surrounding textures and remove the damage automatically. Adjust the brush size with the slider to match the level of detail. Use a larger brush for broad, simple areas and a smaller brush around edges, patterns, or fine details. Zoom in with a pinch gesture for precision and work in short strokes so you can see the results as you go. If it removes more than you intended, tap Undo and try a smaller brush or paint closer to the tear's edge. It's normal to make a few passes. Light, patient strokes usually yield the cleanest repair. When you're happy with the result, it's time to save. Tap Share, choose Download, and select PNG for a crisp, high-quality image or JPG for a smaller file size. Then tap Done. Your repaired canvas photo is now ready to print, share, or archive. That's it. Quick, clean, and surprisingly powerful. If this helped you restore your image, keep practicing with different brush sizes and lighting conditions in your photos to get even more natural-looking results.